Greetings, people of South Africa. This is Mandisa Mthembu. I am back from prison. I was released on Monday, 27 July. Today is the 30th of July, 2026. A month since you had protest marching against illegal immigration. So I want to ask you guys, what have you achieved by marching? Can protest and handing petitions and burning streets and fighting, can that really help South Africa? Can that really redeem South Africa from what we from? Can that really help us? I just want to ask. We've been doing this for the past 30 years. The government has been failing. The ANC government has been failing us ever since. And they are still doing the same thing. The foreigners are still there. Illegal immigration are still there. They are still running tech shops. They are still doing what they've come to South Africa to do. We are still unemployed. We are still being displaced by the very same people. So guys, me, as Mandisa Mthembu, I told you I have written the constitution. And now I am embarking on a different route. I am embarking on a different route to bring justice. We have to do things in another way. In order to be a leader, to correct the wrongs of these old people who are in our parliament, you have to have a spine, an iron spine. You have to have a mind of a computer. You have to think differently. You have to be very wise, and you have to have the backing of God. We can't do the same thing every year and expect different results. So me, I'm pleading with you, people of South Africa. I'm taking ANC to the ICJ, the ANC, the GNU, the ruling parties. I'm taking them to the ICJ, International Court of Justice, because what they are doing to us is genocide. We are being displaced by illegal immigrations. They are taking our livelihoods. They have been failed by their governments, and they come here to South Africa to displace us, the people of South Africa. We are being obliterated. If you can check, if you can look carefully, you can see that we are being displaced. We are being obliterated. South Africa does no longer feel as South Africa. These people, they terrorize us. The Zamazamas, they are terrorizing us. They kill us. They kill our children. The tech shops, they kill our children. So we can't march. We can't be polite about this matter of immigration. So guys, I'm pleading with you. I'm taking this up. I'm going to write an application to the ICJ. I'm going to write 5 things. 5 things that I'm going to write. The application, I'm going to write and post it here to you guys. As you know, I don't have any form of funding. I don't have people who fund me. I don't have open-aimers. I don't have Rupert on my pocket. I don't have Adriana Maziotti. I don't have any funding. So I'm going to write, as your advocate of the people of South Africa, the leader of the people of South Africa. I'm going to write these applications. I need a funding. We are going to need a lot of funding. So I'm pleading with you guys. Black, white, rich, poor, slave, rich. Let's unite behind this. Let's unite behind this thing. Let's unite behind our freedom. Let's unite behind this this initiation. What I'm going to do 5 things. 5 things. 1, I'm going to open a case of genocide of South African people against ANC-led government and their GNU partners in the International Court of Justice. and all the influential corrupt families funding these political parties. So I'm pleading with the people of South Africa for donations to raise funds to take ANC and their GNU partners for genocide and committed by illegal immigration to the people of South Africa. 2, an application for a referendum to end the current political corruption, to end the current political system that is in South Africa. 3, the private prosecution for President Cyril Ramaphosa for Marikana massacre, the death of innocent children who consumed spaza shop, who were killed by consuming a poisonous spaza shop, the death of children on the streets who are killed by accidents, and then ensuring okay, and then 4, the failure to create jobs for young people. So the 4th application is for the Constitutional Court to enforce the Section 89 on Cyril Ramaphosa. The 2022 report, as the independent panel found a prima facie evidence against Cyril Ramaphosa. He must be impeached with immediate effect and he must be arrested. So there was evidence against him. We don't need another parliament to do that thing. That report, that Section 89 report, the 2029, that was led by the judges, the former judges, that is what must be enforced, so that Cyril Ramaphosa must be arrested and impeached and removed as a president of this country. Number 5, this is the last one. The application to remove IEC as a permanent body to manage elections. Since they allowed the corrupt ANC to contest elections, not even a corrupt ANC, an ANC that does not have money, an ANC that does not have funds, an ANC that doesn't pay debts, an insolvent ANC. So how all these years since 2029, IEC has been allowing ANC to contest elections, if it is credible? So these are all the 5 applications. I'm going to write them, I'm going to post them. If you want a request on these applications, my email address, Mandisa Mthembu 470@gmail.com. You will find them. I'm gonna post the bank details where you have to put donations so that we can get this through with before the elections, before November. All these applications must be up and running in the courts so that we can remove ANC and remove this corrupt system. I thank you.